Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Sony wireless headphones that need to have the batteries replaced in it. Now before we get started, I'll go ahead and put a list in the description to all of the model numbers that this is relevant to, because there's a couple different model number categories that work a little bit differently. But basically all of these work on sort of two AAA batteries, but if you just put plain AAAs or even rechargeable AAAs, they won't last as long or work as well as the actual Sony double battery pack. And I'll go ahead and put a link in the description to where you can get it. It's not that expensive, shipping is free, and it really works they're optimized for these headsets. But anyways, really simply to do, once we get that battery pack, all we're going to do is we're going to find the headphone that has that little push button on it, and then once we have that push button, we're just going to head and push on that area of it until that pops out. And once we push on that and it pops out, it will reveal the little battery thing there, and you'll see it has two springs on the same side. You're going to put the flat end of the battery pack on the springy side of it, and then once you do that, then you can just slide that cover back on and you're basically done. So if this video helped, if you could leave me a like, I'd really appreciate it. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.